Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy ATL Plays here, back at it again with another video today. How am I gonna put this? Okay, I got it. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy ATL Plays here, back at it again with another video today. Today, we're gonna be playing Pixel striKe 3D. Pixel striKe 3D is like a now growing game. It's already got over 1 million views. I mean, not 1 million views. 1 million downloads actually from the Play Store and iOS counting together. So, like, this game right here, you could compare this game to Pixel Gun, which we all know Pixel Gun is broken. Pixel Gun is dying, and no one's playing this game anymore. Everybody's coming over here to play Pixel striKe, and it's much better. The guns are balanced, and they're not broken. But that's not what I'm here about today. I have two things I want to talk about. First thing, this is from my friend. You may already know him, and you be like kind of thinking in your mind, why you always talk about him? But he's my friend. I can't say anything about it right now. Today, my friend Jimson, aka Players Are Kings, made a clan. It's pronounced Sons on the Fast Fighters, and I'm one of them. And here's his account if you guys want to add him. His user ID is 360695. If you want to add him, I'll put him in the link in the description. Good friend of mine. I showed him this game. I told him about it. He said this game is better because Pixel Gun's broken. But that's not what I'm talking about today. Today I want to do a gun review. I recently just had this gun unlocked, and it's called the Assault Rifle. Now, let me set up my clusters real quick. What I would prefer, I want to go in is with the G17 because it could back me up at some points. And then the Cutlass is pretty fast. So I'm just going to go in with the Headhunter. I'll keep the same sticks. And then for abilities, I have to equip Scavenger. And let's do a little bit of talking about the gun first. The Assault Rifle is a 3-burst shot weapon. Don't know what burst is? Let me show you. A burst... Oh, no, I can't be on the computer. Who cares? A burst weapon is where if you hold the trigger, you get like a shot. This is and at that same time, this is also an auto burst weapon. So like I was saying, it's an auto burst weapon. It's good for like medium range attacks, and it's sometimes close range, because it's not that it's meant to be like a medium range to like a medium long range assault weapon. If you could try to go for like some long shots, but it's really not gonna happen as often as you think it is. It really does not use all that much ammo. You could just use like 3 bursts, auto bursts. It's not that bad though. Compared like a map like Summer Garden, you can kind of get some kills at like a far range, but I would decide to go ahead and try to get like some medium range kills instead of long range, because that's one of the biggest weaknesses of this gun. Grenade out. But yeah, I just want to show some gameplay because I recently just locked it. Let me know in the comments down below if you think this weapon will be good. Like, you think, like, what can they improve? And trust me, myself, I like burst weapons. Burst weapons are my favorite type of weapon. Where is he? Okay, I see him. See? Good far range. Hey. Oh man. But at the same time, biggest weakness. After the burst shots have been fired, expect a little bit of wait time. I got both of them. I'm gone. Come on. Just barely coming in clutch, dude. Almost died. Gotta make sure. And I also have like a couple strategies you like. And if you're gonna start this game, might as well learn a couple strategies. I mean, like, for me, I'm just trying to do a gun review. You know, I'm trying to make sure I get these kills. Make it look like it's a decent gun, right? Come on. Oh, try to hit that else on me, bro. Nope, not today. Go. No. Oh my. I got game bang. The score is 7-3. Grenade out. And it's good. Oh, nobody. Oh, grenade, move! I got him. I wonder if this can go long range. That's one of my biggest questions. Aim it. He's done. Yeah, that's the biggest weakness still. Like full auto loaded guns, like automatic weapons. This is a burst, so expect the mid-between burst. Oh, he got him. But yeah. Oh wow. Oh! Alright. Oh, he's using the army rifle. Oh man, that sucks. That's not really much. I mean, like, that's all I know about this gun. Like, I think the recoil's not bad. It's not really that bad. The recoil. I think I might probably buy a muzzle on it. Muzzle with the red dot sights. Cause it's not that bad. Gonna go around and around, finding people shooting this gun. Hit over the burst. Dang, he cleaned that boy. That boy said, boop. Run it back. Oh, shoot this. Hiya. He didn't see it coming. Oh, he survived it. I was just too late in the shot. Go for it. Oh, it's long range. You can just barely get hits with it though. Go up. He go down. Whoops. Where is everybody, bro? Oh, I'm trying to find him. Oh, there he is. Gotcha. I mean, like, all I have is just time enough for one match. I wish I could show you a little bit more of this, but we took the victory. I'm gonna just go ahead, back out the lobby, and I can show you guys the stats, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. Okay, I'm here with the stats, and take a good look at it. It's got a damage of 25. Wait, I gotta think about it. Is it 25 a shot, or 25 per burst? So, like, all 3 bullets equal 25 damage. Nah, I bet it won't be like that. Probably take like 4 bullets, which is pretty good. And I actually like that. It's got not too bad range, more than, like, 10 more than the AK, same as damage as it. Compared to the fire rate, it's 5. It's just 5. And then the AK is a 6.7. The recoil on the AK is 8. And then compared to the assault rifle, it's 5. So, you're not going to really recommend, like, a stock or on anything. I would suggest, if you feel like you need stock, go ahead, just buy it. But I would recommend muzzle brake or laser sights if you just don't have enough time to aim in. Or just try to get some hits. Like I said, recommended a red dot sight. I've seen some videos about it. It's not that bad. And this will be my class layout because I would feel like this would be okay for me. But I wouldn't think like it's okay. It's still in the works though. But like, you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. Anyway, I know this one was not as long videos as I usually do my videos because of timing purposes in school. I got work I gotta get done. But anyway, thank you guys for watching so much. As it's, you know, it's just appreciated. Shout out to my man Players of Kings for hitting 50 subs, bro. Congrats, man. And at that same time, thank you guys for watching. I know you guys will continue watching. Share it with your friends. Like, comment, subscribe. And ATL Plays signing out. Peace.